Sani Bonani Tu Melang Haparisana. I am Miss J. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, Rafi. If you are new and you stop by, maybe you came across this video when you were flipping through, welcome. Siyabonga, karibu. If you are a returnee, you've been with us on this journey, welcome back. It's always good to have you, Rafiki. Karibu tena. Rafik, today I am cooking. I am making tin fish. I'm making penne a la fish or fish a la penne, something like that. I'm just taking it back to home, man. It's such a nice, quick, easy meal that I grew up eating. I was eating this at boarding school. There are certain food that I don't eat from boarding school, but this one remains one of my favorites. But obviously, we're gonna zhuzh it up, Miss J style. Let's get cooking. So I'm gonna start off with the pasta. I am making my pasta. I've boiled the water, it's boiling already. Just gonna put a little bit of salt, a bit of oil. Pasta is cooking, is boiling. It needs to be nice and al dente. For now, let's get our fish. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make fish in two ways. I'm gonna make a sauce, then I'm gonna cook my fish. I've already separated my fish. I've taken out the bones. It's now and clean. I've separated it with its sauce. So it's the good old Pilchard. I've separated it so that it's nice and clean. So let me start preparing for my sauce. Hey Rafiki, don't forget to subscribe, like, and do the rest and comment. So now we're adding the sauce in. Every drop counts, Rafiki. Looks delicious. Smells amazing. Then we're gonna add a trick to loosen this sauce out a little bit. I'm gonna take a small of the water, the cooked one from the pasta. I'm gonna add a little bit of some seasoning. That's for some seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of sweet chilies to give it that vavavoom. Okay, now we're gonna make our sauce. Let me put a little bit more of the pasta water. Now blend it to make our sauce. So we blended, our sauce is ready. On the same pot, we're gonna make now our fish. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil again. Put a bit of butter. So Rafik, it's very important to, I'm sure you're wondering why am I using the same dirty pots. It's not dirty, it's the flavors that are actually on the pot. So we don't want to lose those flavors because that's how we build our flavor, that's how we build our meal. So that's why I'm using the same pot so that we don't lose the flavor for our pasta. Fish, the main character. The main usingaye. We are here because of you. Just a pinch of salt, not too much. Or should I? Little bit of butter. Look at that. Looking good. Our pasta is ready, nice and al dente. So we bring it in. Parsley. We can garnish it with some parsley. Make it look pretty. There you have it, Rafiki. Our penne a la fish a la penne. That's basically pasta, tin fish pasta. Let's taste this. Look how delicious it looks. Looks delicious. Oh, nice and creamy. Let's taste this one. This is the one. Delicious. Try it at home, Rafiki. Let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye. I love you. But you already know that.